everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete recently viewed on Wish application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with the video. First of all, open the Wish application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. After you are logged into your Wish account, from the main home page, go ahead and tap on Recent Views at the very top of the screen. Once you open up the Recent Views option, you will come across different products that you've previously viewed. Remember that there is no direct way to delete your recently viewed list on Wish application. But you can go ahead and try some steps in order to achieve similar effect. Simply go ahead and go through your app drawer and press hold the Wish application icon from the app drawer. Now in the pop-up, tap on App Info. Once you open up the App Info page, tap on Storage and click on Clear Cache at the bottom right. Once you clear out the cache data for your application, this might remove some of the recent data, but it's not guaranteed to clear your entire history. You can also try logging out and logging in to your Wish account, since sometimes logging out of your Wish account and then logging back in can also refresh the app and may remove some of the recently viewed items. The recently viewed section can list up to 15 products that you have searched for. To remove the current list, search for 15 other new products and eventually the list will be replaced with new products. So that is the only way you will be able to get rid of your list from recently viewed tab on your Wish application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.